Zhejiang Jianhong International Trade Company Limited is a professional supplier of CNC machining parts, glass panel, and other electronic product components. Our factory, Zhejiang Jianhong Electronics Company Limited, was established in 2017, located in Daqing County, Huzhou City, Zhejiang Province. Zhejiang Jianhong Electronics Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise mainly engaged in security product components, communication product components, radio product components, and video optics components. With strong technical strength, excellent R&D level, and mature batch supply capacity, the company has passed ISO 9001, QC 080000, and other international certification systems. Our factory has product R&D center, precision CNC machining center, large laser cutting machine, full automatic anodizing line, full automatic paint spraying line and powder spraying line, full automatic sand blasting and wire drawing equipment, full automatic printing production line, full automatic die cutting production line, glass panel production line, full automatic assembly production line, and other international advanced equipment. Our factory has full process integration of independent production capacity. We are providing comprehensive supply services and keeping long-term, stable, strategic, cooperative relations with many world-class enterprises, such as Hikvision, Dahua. We would offer high-quality products, high cost-effective service, honest and transparent cooperation to stand in the forest of Chinese manufacturing.